Hey, hello everybody. I got a story to tell you today about my MacBook Pro. Last February I got myself a MacBook Pro 2015 16 15-inch 16 gig of RAM, a very expensive machine. I got it. It was an open box from BestBuy, so you know, I cut a deal with them, and what happened? It's they told me, we're gonna give you this open box for that price if you get a Geek Squad. You subscribe to the Geek Squad. It's like some sort of assurance on the MacBook Pro. All right, I say okay, never mind. So I had to pay like $30 every 30 days. After 30 days or 35 days, I had a problem with my MacBook Pro. So instead of going back to Best Buy, I said, okay, let me go straight to Apple Store. Came there, they tried to, they restored the machine. I went back home. After 3 days, same problem. My MacBook Pro was kept on freezing every 5 minutes. So I went back again at Apple Store, very upset. And the lady, the supervisor at Apple Store, decided to give me a brand new machine. I was very happy. I got a brand new machine. Then last week I was using the MacBook Pro, and there were a very strange noise, like a creaking noise on the right side of the trackpad. I said, okay, first of all, I don't want to go back to the Apple Store again. Let me see what YouTube can help me. So I wrote creaking sound. So I realized that a lot of people went through that problem. It's in 2010 or 2011, and most of them say, hey, this is the way to fix your creaking sound, is you have to tighten in the screws or put some oil on the screws. I did it. It didn't fix my problem, so I was forced to bring the laptop again at Apple Store. So I bring the laptop at Apple Store, and they called me yesterday around 5 p.m. They say, oh, Mr. Samba, we fix your computer. So I want to know what went wrong. The guy explained me that usually with the creaking sound, what they do, they just remove the cover and then put it back in. But even if they did it, the sound didn't disappear. And they found out that there were a problem between the cover and the battery, where they placed the battery. So he told me it was a kind of sticky thing. I don't know what it is. They clean it up. So now I'm going back to the Apple Store downtown to take my computer. That's my story today. I got a computer to take back to fix it. You told me.
Oh, that it's fixed.
Yeah.
Actually, the computer should be in this.
You say I don't need to go upstairs?
Yeah, should be under which name?
Samba. S-A-M-B-A.
Ali?
Ali.
Yeah, there we go.
Well, I just finished with Apple, and the bad news is I did not get my computer. So what happened? I arrived at Apple Store. I wait 5 minutes. They bring the laptop. So I was smart. I say, okay, I don't want to go out from the store if I don't test it yet. So I asked the guy, a nice guy. I say, okay, I want you to test it. That was the problem, and test it. So he started pressing on the trackpad. On the right side of the trackpad. and the creaking sound was there. I said, okay, we have more than 5 computers here that you guys are selling. I want you to compare, so try to press on each computer. So the creaking noise couldn't be reproduced on different computers. So he did bring it back to the technician again, and they came back. They want to sell me bullshit like, oh, you know, it's because of this, that. I said, guys, listen, I don't want to sound like a complainer, but I can't buy that. I can't buy your explanation. So I do understand it's just a machine, it's not a human being. If it's dead, you will replace it. But this is from my work. I need it. I already spent 3 days. You guys called me yesterday. You say you fix it, and you don't fix it. So you gotta fix it. So he went back to see his supervisor, and they say, okay, now we're gonna replace the whole keyboard, maybe the logic board, even the cover, back cover. I don't like that, because if you buy a brand new product and they start replacing parts, it's never good news. But at the end of the day, I don't have a choice. I don't have a choice, I have to wait. So they say they're gonna fix it today. If I have a chance, I will grab it at 6 o'clock, before 6 o'clock, because they close at 6 o'clock or 5. If not, it's gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. So, to be continued.
You see, mystery is an intellectual process.